What's the point?
On the foot brake, whop, and down, and after wheel, and go to the other.
Okay.
You go too fast and make like this. Boom.
Running is better.
Yeah, that's good.
You give the gas, whoop, and completely the body back. If not, the slippery and fall down. When you touch, up, touch, gas, whoop, and completely back the body, a small gas, and down the front. If you go right faster, the rear wheel put at the bottom, and after the front, go back and possibly crash. If you come slower, touch and back. And also here a little bit slippery is control the throttle also.